Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on BABA on July the 10th when the price of this asset was at $75.08 and my main assumption was that we hit or almost hit my first price target that was set at 0.236 fib level at $76.31 and we were approaching and we were on our path to the next price target. It is a 0.32 fib level if I pull fib retracement tool from this swing high to this swing low at the price point of $79.03. And guys, take a look right here. This is the actual price action. We were at this point when I made my previous video, and then we had this movement to the upside that hit my price target at $79.03, went even higher, and we are hovering right now somewhere at, as you can see, at $78 on the pre-market hours. This asset lost about 0.5%. And guys, it is not a coincidence that I predicted this price action. Let me show you that on each and every video. You can find the link to my previous video, and if you click on it, you can see my previous video. As you can see, we were by the way, this video was published on July the 1st, and you can prove my words by clicking all of these links. And the price of this asset was at $72.04. And here, as you can see, I drew these two arrows, which indicate the ranges of resistance and potential price targets for the upcoming days. On top of that, guys, again, here's the link to my previous video. And here it is. We were at this point at $73.7, and I drew this arrow in order to show the price action potential next price target where we might land. And guys, take a look right here. We hit exactly the range that I marked on the video. That is why, guys, you can rely on my technical analysis as a part of your due diligence, because my technical analysis has one of the highest win rates. From 70 or even 75% all the way up to 80 and even 85% of successful predictions. That is why, guys, you can rely on my technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers, I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer, for now there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you. And it is pretty much one-on-one trading for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite fair deal. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up. So guys, let's take a look on the price action again. And on today's video, I will show you why I don't like to use the news approach, why I don't like to rely on the fundamental analysis, and I will explain you this in details. On top of that, let me first of all take a look right here. On the comment section, one of my viewers wrote me 6 days ago, when you say short term, medium term and long term, what exactly are you referring to? Days, weeks and months? And guys, this question is very interesting and important, because usually I use this terminology, but you have to diversify these words. First of all, what does it mean short term trade? It means that you can enter your position and you can hold it from several hours all the way up to a couple of days, up to 3, 4 or 5 days. This is the short-term trade. Next one, medium term. It means that you can open your position and hold it from several days all the way up to several weeks, up to 1 month. It is the medium term. And long-term holdings is anything between 6, 12 or 18 months and higher, because in general these three approaches are completely different in terms of its accumulation, in terms of its risk to rewards ratio, and the risk tolerance also should be different. So let's continue with the fundamental news. What is the news that might be a catalyst for this asset? And if you Google BABA stock and switch to news tab folder, you will have several news, and two most recent ones were published just 1 day ago. And let me quote you just titles. Alibaba, Baidu, and other Chinese stocks fall on disappointing economic growth. Next one. Alibaba, Chinese tech stocks, and EV stocks NIO, Xpeng, Auto tumble after disappointing economic report. And guys, this news were published somewhere on Monday. And right here you can see that from its highest point that was set at the very on Friday's session, this asset lost about 5% to its lowest point. But guys, none of these articles tell you that just previously this asset went from its swing low to this highest point by more than 12%, almost 13%. And definitely, no one told you that before this price action it lost from its highest point to its lowest point 20% of its value. And previously, from April 18th till May 17th, this asset gained almost 32%. Definitely, this asset is quite volatile, and I can see that we don't have any major news that you can rely on in order to make your conclusion of its upcoming movements. That is why, guys, I don't like to rely on the news as well. News might be important for the long-term holders, or the long-term catalyst, or just rumors in anticipation of which we might see short-term price actions. And in general, without basically any news that might be important for Alibaba, we have quite substantial volatility. And guys, technical analysis give you a chance to rely on its price action and to read the chart and make your conclusions of its upcoming movements. That is why it is extremely important to know technical analysis as well, because it allows you to be consistently profitable. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, I don't want to take a look on a bigger picture. I want to focus on the most recent price action to the upside, from this swing low to basically current price. And guys, we clearly see several waves, and in my opinion, it is not a corrective wave. This means we might hit higher targets, but take a look right here. From this bottom, potentially this was the first wave, this was the second, third, fourth, and potentially we are about to see the next leg to the upside. And guys, let's do some measurements. From this swing low, if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool to this swing high to the top of the first wave, we hit, let me show you in details, we hit exactly golden pocket range and had a reaction. We have 75% probability to see the reaction out of this range. This is the first so-called coincidence. Definitely it is not, it is just a pure technical analysis. Next one, the length of the third wave compared to the first one in the motive wave should be at least 1.618 extension. And if I pull the extension tool from the bottom of the first wave to the top of the first wave and to the bottom of the retracement, as you can see, we broke 1.618 extension level with the flying colors. On top of that, guys, this movement to the upside has the highest volume, and this means we have all the signs that it is a motive wave and it is not a corrective. And guys, for now we have several invalidation points. In order to confirm that this is a motive wave, we shouldn't retrace the fourth wave. Let me delete again unnecessary tool. We shouldn't retrace the fourth wave on the territory of the first one. This means we shouldn't see the breakout below $76 price point, because in this case it will be a diagonal and we will not have a much higher price target for the fifth wave. But as long as this pivot holds, guys, we have all the contenders to project our next price target of the fifth wave. And take a look right here. If I pull Fib extension tool from the bottom of the third wave to the top of the third wave and to the bottom of the retracement, with the assumption that this is the real bottom, we have to hit at least 0.786 fib level. It is the most common ratio in the motive wave, in between third wave and fifth wave. And guys, this price target is at $83.77. And take a look right here. The same fib retracement tool that I pulled from this top to this bottom has the coincidence, has the confluence of golden pocket range exactly with our price target. And guys, this means from this point we also have extremely high chances to see lower price targets, but I think the next leg will be to the upside. And from this point of view, we have another potential setup, quite interesting in my opinion. We can accumulate our position all the way down, and we shouldn't break $76, which means we have not more than 2.5% of downside potential, with an upside potential of about 7.4%. This means, again, almost 3-to-1 risk-to-reward ratio is quite interesting, and if you properly know how to manage your position, definitely this setup is for you. And I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad.